Welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make a 3D snowflakes. So right now we're gonna input the image so later we can trace it. Now we will change the units. Oops. To millimeters. And we will pick 50. So now let's start drawing. So now you see this process speed up. Basically I just trace the snowflake around. And now I will move it to the center. So later I could do a revolution around the origin. So yeah. Now we're gonna make a circular pattern. So they selected from above. The problem is that we need to extend it since we want to have the axis of revolution. So we can revolve the object around multiple times. So now we will extrude it to 3 millimeters. And we're gonna pick a circular pattern. Select the axis for revolution, and here we go. Change it to 5. And we have a snowflake. Now we will add the center. So we'll just pick a circle, eyeball it. We will extrude it to 3 and merge it together. And now we will just merge it with all parts. So it's turned into one single piece. Now we will just make a hole so we could tie it to the Christmas tree. And we'll just pick through all so we can remove all the material. And here we go. Just change the color. So now we're exporting it to STL. So change the name to something recognizable. Format is STL. Units, everything fine. Options download. And now export. Very important that is STL. Here we see it in the top right corner. And here we are in Cura. It's a slicer. We'll pick our STL file. Edit. And here we see it. Yeah, so it's 7 minutes for one, but I want multiple. So I will click on it. And we will select multiple select. And we will choose 5. Click OK, and here we go. We have a 5 snowflakes slice. It will take us 44 minutes. So here we go. We could see it sliced. Thank you and have a great day.